Hi, I am Adrian Vega and I have to tell you something. Shh, listen to me. More than 10 years ago, I released Scaandal. This was my first trick that I published with the Magic community and we sold thousands of units. In that moment, I thought that was impossible to improve it. Until now. The mystery. Yeah, thank you, my friend. Thank you. You have any number? Look at this. From that moment, I explored everything about that concept, about that method. I think I improved the weak part of Scaandal, so now I am proud to present to you this new version of one of my favorite creations. But now, this is not only a card at any number, this is much more than that. This is a full project with 3 different routines that you're gonna learn using only one deck of cards. My friends, Scaandal is back. So I am here with Adrian, Murphy and Mariano Goñi. I am here in Madrid and I would like to show you one of my favorite ideas. They are not real spectator, you are real professional magician, but you didn't see this, right? Nobody saw this before, so hope you like it. Because maybe you already know the plot, this is called card at any number, but in a different way. Because you know what is this, right? This is a deck of cards, yeah, this is easy. But do you know what is this? A card? No! This is a mystery. This is still a mystery because I didn't see you yet. Because first, I will ask you to look at my eyes, and nice eyes, I know. But thinking one number between 1 to 52. Don't think yet, think now. We have a number between 1 to 52. Could be any number is possible. So what number do you want?
Yes, 27.
27, are you sure? 27. You can change if you want. We are magicians, we know, but no. 27. Okay, so I will not touch anything. Can you take the card for me? Can you take all the cards face up? I want to be as honest as possible. No more cards in the deck, we know this. So can you count 27 cards one by one, face up? Yeah, I want to be honest until the end. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and this is 27. Put here, and before to finish, can you keep dealing cards just to make sure that there is no more 3 of spades, and of course, all the cards are different, yes? It has to be very honest, I told you. I didn't touch the deck. You really count the number that you want. You are checking that one by one that they are all different cards, yeah? Everything in your hands, and I didn't do anything. But this is the moment that I love. It's the moment that even you do, or you did everything, it's the moment when I am going to show you the mystery. Every number is possible. You choose 27, and of course, now is the moment to reveal my mystery. Yeah, thank you, my friend. Thank you. You have any number? Look at this. Look at this. So now it's even easier. It's more attractive for you, audience, and I am sure that you're gonna love it because nothing will stop it. Because Scaandal is back.